Alright, so this week I've been a little bit slower on development. I've had a lot going on in regular life. So our plans for the future are we're going to be working on finishing out the splash. This section of the splash, the controls, we're going to be redoing this whole thing. So right now in the game, choose a different file. So we have these dictionaries like this that are created once if they're not already stored. And right now we just grab them right here, but I was thinking about grabbing them from a pickle location. So after you open this UI menu, this right here, instead of saying ASDF, we'll say generic commands like forward. And then when you click over here, it'll be like press any key. And then when you press the key, it'll grab the string out of the key, like for W, it's W key. Or for up arrow, it's up arrow key, all in caps. And then pops it into this slot here. And then when you close the menu, it's going to generate a dictionary, which I've never really done that yet, but it sounds like a fun problem to approach. So when you close the menu, it's going to generate the dictionary and save it in the pickle, so that when you open the game, this one, it loads the same pickle to load in the dictionary of key bindings. So that way the end user will be able to set up their key bindings. And then also I was thinking about we could add a second player to the system without adding any complexity. So that'll be kind of neat too. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up the game through the splash screen. So right now only W and S are bound. So I'm going to hit S and W and move the option selector index up and down. Hit enter and select the option. And then also the mouse works. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and play the game for a minute. And besides the key binding dictionary generator, another thing I want to work on is the ability to have tutorials and storytelling. So I'm thinking that's going to be next after the key binding dictionary. It's kind of neat how he flew and then hit the wall and then died. It's neat how when you super kick an object, it creates a wrapper and then binds the object to it. And then when they hit another object, it will apply damage to the object they hit and themselves. So you basically turn an enemy into a projectile that gets damaged also in the process, like this. So you notice the guy behind him took almost more damage than he did. And then there's also Earthquake Punch. If I charge punch and hit jump, I can also hold sprint, hit jump, and he'll do a regular jump. Or I can hold jump, and you'll see the jump arc there. And then I can hit kick at the top of the arc and go flying across the room kicking, which is kind of cool too. Get beat up. Alright. And we're all dead. Alright, well, thanks for watching.